Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your payment method was declined, updated, or provided new payment method and try again. So what you're going to do first, you're going to just go ahead into your settings, all right? And then basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and check if my internet is working properly. Okay, and next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general, and then I'm gonna just go ahead to the software update, and I'm gonna make sure that my iPhone is fully updated to the latest version, and if it is, just make sure that you do. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back right here to my general, and then I'm gonna just go ahead to the date and time, and date and time, make sure that you set the date and time automatically. All right, so you can make this work. And if that did work out for you, even if you done that, just go back to your general, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the VPN and device management. If you scroll over down, you're gonna see it, click on it and make sure that you disconnect the VPN. All right, so you can get this done. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back again to another solution. If that did work out for you, go back to your settings and then go ahead to the screen time. In the screen time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, click on the content and privacy restrictions, and make sure that you toggle this one off so you can make this work. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.